What causes razor bumps and ingrown hairs, and how do you get rid of them? Using trimmers that are set too close, shaving against the grain, or using a dull blade are the main culprits. Ingrown hairs are more prevalent for people who have coarse or curly textured hair.
In an ideal situation, when you cut the hair, it simply grows straight back up. When you have curly hair, instead of growing straight up, it curls and grows back into the skin. Inflammation. And sometimes the hair is cut so short that it can't escape the skin, so the hair just starts to curl over and over and over. This is recognized by your body as a foreign substance. Since the hair can't grow above the skin, it causes inflammation, and it sends a signal to your body to send white blood cells to this area. That's often the white pus that you see in these bumps. That's why if you have over curly hair, I suggest you using a trimmer. It cuts the hair at a level that's still above the epidermis. So even if the hair does try and grow back into the skin, you can easily use tweezers to get this out.
Skin tight dries up inflamed hair bumps and razor bumps. It's a concentration of acetylsalicylic acid, which is a fancy name for aspirin, tea tree, and willow bark, which all have anti-inflammatory properties. You can also exfoliate using an antibacterial soap and use tweezers to remove the trapped hairs.